All right, in this video, let's talk about this because this is like crucially important. So two of my friends called me a couple of days ago and they mentioned that they got laid off. Okay. And they're going through some brutal times. Okay. The point where they can't pay off their mortgage. They are going through and trying to find different types of jobs in the job market. A couple of days ago, there was a company that laid off 20,000 employees. Imagine what that's going to do within the job market for just one role. When you look at LinkedIn, it is ridiculous. Okay? So the whole point of this thing is that I gonna constantly keep reinforce. You gotta pivot. It's time to pivot. It's time to upskill. Okay? And this is also crucial. What you focus on expands. The more you focus on your pains and your problems, the more it's going to expand. So this video, I'm going to go and share this is crucially important. It's called a self-care routine. I'm going to go and share one that has helped me. The whole goal of this video is to create and help you to develop your own self-care routine. Because every individual is uniquely different. Not all workout exercises will be helpful for one individual. You have to go and search for other exercises that will work for them. So think of it in that terms of that philosophy, right? So one that you can start off is meditation. Meditation is free. If you cannot sit in one spot for 5 minutes, you have a lot to work on. But remember this, comparison is the thief of joy. Do not compare yourself with other people. Do what you got to do. Okay, start off small and watch it compounds. Okay, it's free. Okay, the meditation is extremely powerful. I'm going to explain why. Okay, the body and the mind are two different things. The body follows the mind. Just because you're eating healthy doesn't mean your mental state will synchronize with your body. Just because you feel good of eating healthy, sure, it could do that temporary in terms of, but the pain and problems still exist within your mind. So remember what I told you about the yin yang philosophy. Both elements has to flow. So imagine this, the one part is the black side, which is the yin yang, and the white side is the body. So the black part is the mind and the body is the white part. They both have to synchronize and balance within one flow of thyself, of who you are as an individual. They both have to synchronize. Okay? So the key aspects of this video, if you're going through tough times, remember, pain is only temporary. It'll eventually fade away. You got to focus on pivoting and upskilling in terms of this era now. You can see that technology is taking over. Companies are getting more greedy, especially corporate companies are being more greedy. And the whole aspect is that what I'm trying to share with you guys is that if you're not taking care in here, you're going to be off. You're going to be making poor decisions. You're going to be making bad decisions. Always tell yourself, what is that self-care routine that I can create today? Which is you. If you're not taking care in here, you're going to be off. Okay? So that's the important aspects of this video. Develop your own self-care routine. Start off with meditation and then build it based on what works for you. So without this, stress, pain, it's going to lead to bad decisions. It's going to lead to drinking more alcohol. It's going to be leading to smoking. Because I've been through these kind of situations, especially when you're going through bottomless pit. I was there. I was stuck there for quite some time. My goal is to help you, to give you faith that you can crawl out of that bottomless pit and see that light again. Make sure you develop that self-care routine. You're going to go far. Believe in yourself. No one else is going to believe in yourself. Only you can. And tell yourself, if you got laid off, this is the best time to upscale. This is the best time to learn other things, because there's so much opportunities in this world. And one day you're going to pat yourself on your shoulders and you're going to be like, that was nothing. Because you have to remember, like, the problem with the school system nowadays, the school system doesn't teach you how to develop the mind. They teach you how to obey. They don't, the problem with the school system, they don't want to teach you how to create strong leaders. You are a strong leader. Okay? Take care in here. Take care of your mental health. This comes first. Okay? I have faith in you. I'll see you guys in the next video.